Located in the heart of the United States, Oklahoma is a state that embodies a captivating blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Known as the Sooner State, Oklahoma is renowned for its rich Native American heritage. Welcome back to the Travel Guide. In today's video, we will be highlighting Oklahoma and everything it has to offer. Things to do. Explore the stunning scenery of the Wichita Mountains. Located in southwestern Oklahoma, the Wichita Mountains Wildlife Refuge is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. Here, you can hike through picturesque trails that wind through rugged mountains, encounter free-roaming buffalo and longhorn cattle, and marvel at stunning vistas from atop Mount Scott. Visit Chickasaw Cultural Center. Delve into the rich history and vibrant culture of the Chickasaw Nation at the Chickasaw Cultural Center in Sulphur, Oklahoma. The center showcases interactive exhibits, traditional art displays, and immersive experiences that bring the heritage of the Chickasaw people to life. Discover captivating stories, partake in traditional crafts, witness cultural demonstrations, and savor authentic Chickasaw cuisine to gain a deeper appreciation for the indigenous roots of Oklahoma. Step back in time along historic Route 66. Embark on a nostalgic journey along the iconic Route 66, known as the Main Street of America. Stretching across Oklahoma, this legendary highway offers a glimpse into America's past. Visit charming roadside diners, retro motels, and quirky attractions like the Blue Whale of Catoosa or the Round Barn in Arcadia. Indulge in urban delights in Oklahoma City. Oklahoma City, the state capital, boasts a vibrant urban scene brimming with cultural attractions and entertainment. Explore the bustling Bricktown district, filled with trendy restaurants, shops, and a picturesque canal. Visit the Oklahoma City National Memorial and Museum, honoring the victims of the tragic 1995 bombing. Discover the wonders of the Great Salt Plains State Park. Located in Jet, Oklahoma, the Great Salt Plains State Park is a hidden gem that offers a unique outdoor experience. The centerpiece of the park is a vast salt flat, where visitors can engage in the fascinating activity of digging for selenite crystals. Transportation options. Major cities like Oklahoma City and Tulsa have well-connected airports that offer domestic and international flights, making air travel a convenient choice. Additionally, Oklahoma has an extensive network of highways, including the famous Route 66, making road trips a popular option for exploring the state's diverse landscapes. Renting a car is also a popular choice, offering flexibility and convenience for travelers who want to venture off the beaten path and explore the hidden gems of Oklahoma. Places to stay. Oklahoma offers a range of accommodation options to suit every preference and budget. From luxury hotels and resorts to cozy bed and breakfasts, visitors can find a comfortable place to stay across the state. Urban areas like Oklahoma City and Tulsa have a wide selection of hotels, including renowned national chains and boutique establishments. For a more unique experience, consider staying in rustic cabins nestled in the scenic countryside or opt for camping in one of the many well-maintained state parks. Best times to visit. The best times to visit Oklahoma are during the spring, April to June, and fall, September to November seasons, when the weather is mild and pleasant. Spring brings blooming wildflowers and vibrant green landscapes, while fall showcases stunning foliage as the leaves change color. Moreover, these seasons offer comfortable temperatures for outdoor activities and sightseeing. However, it's worth noting that Oklahoma experiences a range of weather conditions, including hot summers and occasional severe storms. So, it's important to check the forecast and pack accordingly. From its breathtaking landscapes to its vibrant cities, the state beckons travelers to embark on a journey of discovery and adventure. Whether you find yourself exploring the rugged beauty of the Wichita Mountains, immersing yourself in the rich Native American heritage, or indulging in the bustling urban scenes, Oklahoma's charm is undeniable. With that, we've reached the end of our video. To see a list of our favorite and most useful travel gadgets, check the link in the description.
If you've enjoyed our video, check out these other recent videos from the Travel Guide. And be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.